Hello, and welcome to Unit 1 discussion, Unit 1.1 discussion. There are two this week. Unit 1.1 discussion I focused in on because of the fact that it's a good springboard for your resources. Now, one of the things, we're all semi-literate here. I'm semi-literate. It says, using the internet for solutions. Using the internet, find a site that could help you complete the course with VBA information and code solutions. Discuss the site with the class and provide a link to the site. Now, in the good old days, because, everybody talks about the good old days, the way it worked was you would raise your hand and then the teacher would give you an answer and then whatever would happen. Well, the change of things is so much information is changing constantly. And especially in a web-based educational system, the instructor isn't always available. And even in a ground face-to-face, when you go and you take a look and you work at your items at home, you don't actually always get access to your instructor to get that assistance. So what we try to do is we try to get you to send out a lifeline, as it were, and it gives you kind of a springboard to do that in finding these different things because, there might be 10 people in class, one person finds this, another person finds this, and suddenly you have all these resources that you can have a takeaway outside of the course. So in this particular case, what we're doing is we're laying that foundation to go, all right, if the instructor isn't available to answer that question and your peers aren't available to answer that question, what other items are out there to kind of help you out? And then, of course, when you get beyond the course, what else is going on? So we hope that this kind of promotes that discussion and it promotes you to begin to create your own resources where that's concerned in a portfolio, if you were. So good luck with this week's discussion, and I'll be around. Thank you.